Americans are packing up and leaving big cities faster than ever. And it's not just about cost. From crime and climate to politics and burnout, 2025 is rewriting the migration map. In this video, we explore the top 10 cities where Americans are fleeing from in 2025 and where they're going, with surprising data on what's driving the exodus and which destinations are rising as new favourites. Now, before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome travel guides, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you know when we publish a new video. So now let's cut to the chase. And at 10, Detroit, Michigan, heading to Columbus, Nashville and Houston. Detroit has been rebuilding for years, but in 2025, many residents are still leaving. While downtown shows signs of renewal, the broader metro continues to battle job scarcity, aging infrastructure, and a struggling school system. The city's population has dropped below 650,000, down from its peak of 1.8 million, yes, 1.8 million in the 1950s. High insurance premiums, inconsistent public services, and limited economic mobility have made long-term stability, difficult. Many are relocating to cities like Columbus, which offers a lower cost of living and better education systems, Nashville, with its booming job market and cultural scene, or Houston, which promises strong economic diversity and no state income tax. Nice. For younger families and professionals, Detroit still feels like a long-term gamble. While its grit and history remain compelling, people want affordability, jobs and upward mobility, something more attainable outside Michigan. The promise of reinvention isn't enough to outweigh day-to-day challenges. Simple. Next up at 9, Washington, D.C., heading to Richmond, Charlotte and Atlanta. In 2025, even federal employees are leaving Washington, D.C. Surprising. Remote work policies, high housing costs, and extreme competition for real estate are pushing people out of the nation's capital. Look, the average rent for a one-bedroom apartment has surpassed $2,400. Wow, while buying a home often means bidding wars and sky-high property taxes. While DC boasts high salaries, the trade-off is a growing gap between income and quality of life. Crime in certain neighborhoods remains a concern, and long commutes, thanks to metro delays and suburban sprawl, have worsened post-pandemic. Many are opting for nearby cities like Richmond, with its lower costs and emerging startup scene, Charlotte, with better weather and banking jobs, or Atlanta, which offers strong black professional networks and cultural appeal. DC's historic charm and job prestige aren't enough to counterbalance everyday frustrations. For many, it's time to swap politics for peace of mind. At 8 now, it's Minneapolis, Minnesota, heading to Des Moines, Sioux Falls and Phoenix. Minneapolis was once hailed as a progressive urban gem with beautiful lakes and a high quality of life. But in 2025, the cracks are showing. Residents are leaving due to long winters, affordability issues, and growing public safety concerns. Yes, really. After major unrest in recent years and lingering tensions in city politics, many locals feel disconnected from leadership and unsure about the city's direction. Housing prices and rents have risen sharply, and taxes remain high. Meanwhile, crime in downtown areas has driven some families and businesses to consider more stable options. People are heading to Des Moines and Sioux Falls for calmer living, lower taxes, and strong Midwestern job markets. Others, tired of snow and grey skies, are moving to Phoenix, seeking sunshine and economic opportunity. And why wouldn't you? While Minneapolis still has charm, people are realizing that personal safety, lower costs, and year-round livability are increasingly non-negotiable. Alright, at 7, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, heading to Allentown, Raleigh, and Orlando. Philadelphia is rich in history and culture, but in 2025, many residents feel let down by declining infrastructure and rising crime. Once a destination for East Coast affordability, the city now faces housing instability, underfunded schools and growing public safety concerns. Homicide rates remain high and retail theft has become a daily issue in certain neighborhoods. Public transit has struggled with reliability, and many middle-income families are looking for a better future elsewhere. People are moving to Allentown, which offers lower taxes and a slower pace without completely leaving Pennsylvania. Others are choosing Raleigh for its tech boom and education opportunities, or Orlando for better weather, strong job growth and affordable housing. Well, look, Philly still has heart, but that alone isn't keeping residents rooted. When daily life feels like a battle, many are ready for a softer landing. Let's move on to 6, Portland, Oregon, heading to Bend, Salt Lake City and Reno. Portland once symbolized creativity and progressive ideals, but in 2025, frustration is outpacing inspiration. Residents cite rising homelessness, drug abuse, and crime as key reasons they're moving out. While the city's natural beauty and arts scene remain, downtown foot traffic is still far below pre-2020 levels. Businesses have closed, property crime is rampant, and public perception has shifted from weird and wonderful to worn down and unstable. Many residents feel local leadership has failed to manage the city's growing pains. Housing affordability is another concern. Portland isn't as cheap as it once was, and property taxes continue to rise. As a result, people are moving to Bend for a quieter, outdoors-focused life, Salt Lake City for job opportunities and cleaner governance, or even Reno, which offers proximity to California with fewer of its downsides. Portland still has passion, but for many, passion without peace isn't enough to stay. Next up at 5, it's Seattle, Washington, heading to Spokane, Boise and Denver. Seattle was once the dream, wasn't it? Tech jobs, mountain views and that unmistakable Pacific Northwest vibe. But in 2025, many residents are rethinking that dream. Rising home prices, traffic gridlock and a worsening homelessness crisis have driven an increasing number of people out. The city's progressive politics, once a badge of honour, now face criticism for lack of action and ineffective urban planning. Downtown businesses are still recovering post-pandemic, while new housing remains out of reach for many. Really. Add to that months of grey skies and rain, and you've got a recipe for burnout. Many Seattleites are heading east to Spokane for affordability, Boise for a more manageable lifestyle, or Denver for better balance between city life and nature. The Emerald City hasn't lost its shine entirely, but for thousands of former residents, the weather and the wallet have worn out their welcome. Alright, at 4, it's New York City, New York. So good they named it twice. Heading to Charlotte, Miami and Raleigh. New York City will always be iconic, but it's not for everyone anymore. No, it isn't. In 2025, the exodus continues, driven by high rent, relentless pace and post-pandemic fatigue. The average rent for a one-bedroom in Manhattan, wait for it, remains above $4,000, and that doesn't include transportation, food or childcare, each equally costly. While cultural and career opportunities still attract dreamers, many are realizing that the grind simply isn't worth it. Hybrid and remote work trends have unshackled professionals from needing to be in NYC at all to thrive. They're heading to cities like Charlotte and Raleigh, which offer job growth, space and family-friendly living, or Miami, where sunshine and tax breaks go hand in hand. New York may never truly lose its allure, of course it won't, but it's clear that for many, the city that never sleeps now comes with a cost they're no longer willing to pay. At 3 now, Chicago, Illinois, heading to Indianapolis, Dallas and Tampa. Chicago's skyline is stunning, no doubt about it, but the mood on the ground is more complicated. In 2025, for instance, residents are leaving the Windy City due to rising crime rates, high property taxes and struggling public schools. While Chicago does have a strong cultural foundation, deep dish pizza, blues and sports, many families and professionals feel that daily life is, well, increasingly difficult. Public transportation is aging, downtown safety is in question, and the cold, blustery winters don't help. People are moving to Indianapolis for a familiar Midwest feel with lower costs, or Dallas and Tampa, where warmer weather, job growth and favourable tax climates make a compelling case. Chicago remains a city with grit and heart, but for many, it's no longer a place to build a future. The balance between urban energy and quality of life has tipped, and people are taking notice. Next up at 2, Los Angeles, California, heading to Phoenix, Las Vegas and Nashville. Los Angeles has always been America's fantasy land, but in 2025, many who moved there are now moving on. Traffic congestion, homelessness and rising crime are pushing people out of the City of Angels. The cost of living is staggering, yes really, from rent to gas to groceries, and even high earners feel stretched. The entertainment and tech industries remain powerful, but many professionals no longer feel the need to actually live in LA full-time. Meanwhile, residents are relocating to Phoenix for dry heat and affordability, Las Vegas for economic incentives and zero income tax, or Nashville, which combines culture, creativity and cost efficiency. Even as LA continues to attract newcomers with dreams, the realities of daily life, smog, sprawl and spending have worn others down. Sunshine isn't enough to outweigh stress, and many are opting out of the Hollywood hustle for something more sustainable. And finally, at number 1, San Francisco, California, heading to Boise, Austin and Salt Lake City. Once a global epicenter for tech innovation, San Francisco is now the top city Americans are fleeing in 2025. The reasons are many: housing prices that defy logic, a tech sector in flux, that's the way to call it, and persistent issues with crime and homelessness. Office towers remain half-empty post-pandemic, and small businesses are closing their doors. Residents pay some of the highest taxes in the nation, yet face declining public services. For many, the final straw is the feeling that the city, well, it's lost its soul, its vibrancy replaced by boarded-up shops and cautious commutes. People are heading to Boise for a quieter life, Austin for a startup-friendly atmosphere, and Salt Lake City for family life and affordability. San Francisco was once the future, but in 2025, more people are deciding it's no longer their future. So, those were the top 10 cities where Americans are fleeing from in 2025, and where they're going. Whether it's affordability, safety, or just a better lifestyle, Americans are on the move, and the migration map is changing fast. Have you left one of these cities, or found a new home that's everything you hoped for? Please let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.